to Dee LaVigne. Today I have a double handbag unboxing for you guys, and it's not really from a brand that I usually shop at anymore, but when this collection came out and I saw it, I had to get it. It just brought me all the way back, but I'm not gonna ramble because I hate it when I watch videos and y'all go on and on and on, and then I have to fast forward. I do that, the 10. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox to show you guys. So excited. Okay, which one should I do first? My daughter's just sitting here watching me. Which one should I unbox first? The smaller one first? Okay, here you go. The true unboxing, y'all. I haven't unboxed this. Usually I peek inside, or I'll do a one before just to make sure everything's good, but I got this in store so I was able to check it out. So it comes like this. Bruh. Okay, you guys. So, you know what? I'll get to talking after I unbox this. It's so pretty. Look at her, you guys. Oh my gosh. So cute. Let me look this over. Adorable. I love this, y'all. So I wanted this. Oh my goodness. I saw it online. I think it was on the Coach Instagram or something. I don't know. Or maybe it was an email, but this is so cute. So it is the Coach Tabby in the size 20. They also have it in the size 26. I really, really wanted it in a 20, and they're so hard to get right now. Everyone loves this bag. It's so cute. Y'all, I don't know what it is. I have the Tabby in the cream color, but this denim though, it is just the cutest thing ever. Oh my goodness. I'll probably share this bag with my daughter. I don't know, I could see even her wearing it. She's in the back going yes, you can wear all my bags. But y'all, okay, I have to say, Coach, and my husband doesn't get this about me. He's you have all these luxury brands, why do you, he doesn't like that I brand hop. But let's just be real, I love variety, especially me being a handbag lover and a handbag collector. I really don't care if it's contemporary or luxury, or if it's from Target or Hermes. If I like it, I like it, and I just oh my God, it just, if the bag speaks to me, it makes me happy, I'm gonna get it. And this is exactly what this bag does for me. I feel like Coach has always been that girl. When it comes to that brand, it's very nostalgic for me because I had so many Coach bags in middle school and high school, and I love them. And I just feel like Coach, the quality is just there. It will always be there, especially with right now. I just feel like the prices for certain brands have kind of been off-putting to me. Chanel, I really haven't bought from the boutique in a couple years now because I just feel like the price of their classic flaps, I would rather put that towards a Birkin or a Kelly. So yeah, thankfully I have some already before they became outrageously priced. Anyways, back on Coach. If you guys want me to do an in-depth review on this bag, a what's in my bag, or compare it to some of the other higher end luxury bags that I have that are similar, just to see comparisons, let me know down below. But I love it. I love that it just feels substantial. The hardware, I love the little hardware. I love that they did it in the blue leather. When you open it up, there's a one compartment right here in the middle. So there's two different slots. And what else? Oh, on the back, there's also a back pocket, which I love. I love the straps. You can do double it like this as a shoulder bag, or you can wear it crossbody like that. I don't know, y'all. I I love this bag. I particularly just think it is the cutest thing ever in this size. So yeah, I'm so excited to have this and style it. Like, she's giving. She is giving, y'all. And I must say, like, I have the Tabby in like the cream color, but it's something about in the denim though, I just feel like, wow, like it blows the one I have out the water, and I thought that one was cute when I got it. But this one, like, I'm obsessed. I love it so much, and I'm gonna wear it like right away. Here's the second one. It is another bag, and when I saw this, y'all, like, I literally, it just put a huge smile on my face, and I'm actually really shocked that, oh my God, they like knotted the heck out of this. I can't, oh, there you go. I'm really shocked that I like this because I usually do not like the CC plastered all over. So it is like a logo one, but I don't know. Maybe it's just like the denim to where it does it for me. And then the style that it's in as well. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys. So it is, look at how cute, you guys. So it is, I will put the name of this exact bag in the description box because I really don't know the name of this bag off the top of my head, but I will put it in the description box, as well as a link to purchase both of them down below. If y'all are interested in the Tabby or like this one, I will put links down below for you guys. But it is this denim Coach backpack. Y'all, first of all, I love backpacks. I feel like just at this phase of my life, I have two kids, 9 and 11. One, actually, she's about to be 10. But they're so busy. I'm like their designated Uber. I'm always running around with them, and I'm just always running around, period. I feel like bum bags, like belt bags and backpacks are like my go-to right now. Like, I am obsessed with them because they're just so practical for me and my lifestyle right now. But this, like, you guys, I don't know, this just, every time I see it, it makes me smile. It brings me a lot of joy. Again, like I said, I don't usually go for like the CC logos everywhere. Like, I'm not a fan of that usually, but I feel like in denim and like it's like two different shades of the denim too, I just feel like it looks so chic and it's so cute. And I love the top handle too, so like you can tuck the straps in the backpack and wear it like that if you want to. So it is versatile. The backpack straps are adjustable, which I like. And the leather pieces, like the straps, are really comfortable. I tried it on in the store and like walked around in it. The clasp is also really secure, is what I also like about this bag. So like I like the mechanism, the open close. It's not just like a pop button. You have to like push up on it and it opens. So it's really secure for a backpack, and it's literally like a bottomless pit inside. It also has one little slit pocket towards the back of the bag. And then right up front, you have this little cute pocket where you could put something in there as well. But y'all, I like this bag brings me back to like high school. I don't know. It is so cute, and I just feel like it's so in right now, like with style. It's very like shoulder bags for sure, but like the denim, like, I don't know, like it is a vibe though. What do you guys think? Am I tripping? Like, are you like, Dee, like what's the big deal? Or do y'all see what I see? Like, it's just not like the typical CC logo look that I see on their other bags, but like this one, it just does it. It does something to me, y'all. So yeah. Here are the two new bags. Let me know what you guys think down below. I will do like a comparison. I actually will. I asked y'all, but I probably will because I know that a lot of people want to see, like, I'll probably do like a what's in my bag, like what fits inside of this one, as well as comparing it to maybe like a Louis or a Gucci flap that I have that's similar. I don't know. I'll go look just as a comparison for you guys to see if you guys are interested. But yeah, Oh my goodness. Coach, you done did it again. Like I said, I don't know what it is. It's like I say like once a year, Coach will come out with something and it will just like, wow, like I will just have to have it and I'll go in and get it. And yeah, the quality is just always there, Coach. You have my heart. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me comments down below. Let me know what else you would like to see next on my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.